in haste after that disaster. You can also follow those stories and other JATES programs live on our website at www.jates.gm. There you can also monitor JATES Radio Live. That brings us to the end of the news. In summary, thanks for your time and do have a pleasant morning.